In this video I'm going to show you how to find Instagram password if you forgot it, even when you logged in your Instagram account. So, as you know, some smartphones saves all your data like cookies, like your passwords, so you can try to find your password inside your browser settings, and let me show you how to do that. So first I need to open up browser, Chrome for example, and here tap on three dots and select settings. Now I need to tap on passwords right there, and here I got saved passwords, and in that section I got all the saved passwords for all of my accounts, and I can use search bar for that, and let me type Instagram, and here I got saved passwords for all my Instagram accounts. I can tap here on that specific account, tap on eye icon, then verify my identity, and then I will be able to see my password for that specific account. So that's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.